This short guide will walk you through how to password protect a PDF in LibreOffice. Whether you're safeguarding sensitive information or simply want to add an extra layer of security to your documents, learning how to password protect a PDF can be incredibly useful. LibreOffice, a free and open source office suite, makes this process straightforward and easy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't already have LibreOffice installed, you can download it from their official website. It's a great tool for handling a variety of document types, and it's completely free. Once LibreOffice is up and running, move your cursor to the top left corner and click on Open a File. This will allow you to browse through your files and find the PDF that you want to protect. After selecting your file, click Open. Now that your PDF is open in LibreOffice, you'll need to head back to the top left corner and click on File once again. This menu is where you'll find most of the functions you need to modify and save your documents. Next, it's time to save your PDF with a password. To do this, click on Save As, which will open a new dialog box. Here, you'll see an option to enable save with password. Make sure to check this box before clicking Save. After you select Save, a new window will pop up prompting you to enter a password. Choose a strong password that you can remember but that others won't easily guess. Remember, a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters usually works best. Once you've entered your password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Finally, click Save to apply the password protection to your PDF. The document will now be saved with the password you entered, ensuring that only those with the correct password can access its contents. And there you have it. You've successfully password protected your PDF using LibreOffice. This added security measure is especially handy for sharing documents that contain private or sensitive information. If you need to remove the password in the future, you'll need to open the document in LibreOffice, enter the password, and resave the file without selecting the password protection option. Thanks for following along with this quick tutorial. Now you can confidently protect your PDFs and keep your information secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using LibreOffice and other software. Happy document editing!